Hello, everyone. This is Himali Vaikar, and I am a licensed Heal Your Life workshop leader and an angel therapy oracle card reader. And what I wish to share with you today is a little about the law of attraction. The law of attraction simply says that which is like itself is attracted. Today, I want you to just take a couple of moments and focus on those things in your life which you say you may want. You may want more money, you may want better relationships, you may want a certain body size, shape, you may want a certain quality of hair, you may want X, Y, Z. So, my question to you is what happens to you when you happen to notice a person or a situation that is blessed with all of those things that you say you want for yourself? Say, for example, I may want a certain amount of money or I may want a certain car. And then I happen to look at a person who has that very car that I want. What do I feel at that particular moment? Well, conditioning tells us that when you see something that you do not have yourself, you should feel bad. And that is exactly the mistake that we keep making while building our wealth consciousness. Law of attraction has no exclusion. So every time you feel bad about something, you are invariably telling the universe that this is what I want. So instead of the car, it's the absence and the jealousy that I wish to attract. And how do you overcome this? If this conditioning is not helping you, how do you overcome it? The only simplest thing that you can do, which is very, very powerful in itself, is blessing. So, whenever I see someone who has something that I do not yet have, the fact that I even see it is because I am somewhere in the vibrational vicinity of that reality. And that's the reason why I'm seeing it. So, what I choose to do instead of feeling jealous, instead of feeling bad, is I send out a blessing of love, abundance, and all things nice to that person. And that which I give out comes back to me multiplied. Well, it surely will take some time and practice and discipline in order to build this muscle up of blessing someone's good. But trust me, as you get better and better at this process, you yourself will notice how doors which you had never even imagined have suddenly appeared in front of you. Ideas which were never a part of your belief system have somehow made their way to your mind and are helping you build one block after another in terms of getting to where you want to. So, bless that which you see around you. Bless that which you wish to invite into your lives. And with that, I'll sign off for today. Take care. Bye bye.